Hey guys, guess what? I moved. So now I am here with my friend, and
okay, this game is complicated, but I got it. It's pretty good for a computer for me, first try.
I don't even know what to do. I'm waiting for my friends. It's gonna be hard for me, but I'm tough.
What y'all doing? Is there anything fun?
This game is hard.
Video gaming?
Controls.
Yes, I'm making a video right now.
Cool.
It's hard. I just learned it on the phone. I know it's so. Remember, you know the controls. So that it's A, S, L, and in the double. It's like a dots on top and a dot slash. Yeah, next to the L.
Oh, frick no! I ain't playing no.
It's easy though. It's easy. Why are you making a YouTube video? Seriously?
Oh, shut it!
Hey YouTube. Don't mind you. We just got out of the pool, so we have no shirts on.
Yeah, so.
So don't mind that. Yeah, we're sore. We got sunburned. So we're just.
Oh, I am sore. I'm starting to get old, guys.
He is not getting old. He's only 11.
I swear, I'm already growing a freaking mustache.
Okay, that means you're hitting people.
And I'm getting old. Bro, like my bones.
I am definitely playing Man's Not Hot. I want to try that on this freaking thing.
What is that?
Come on, tap Man's Not Hot. Let's do this freaking thing.
Oh.
Yeah, Man's Not Hot. It's gonna be hard, but it's gonna try. Sorry, guys.
What's Crumble? Guys, I'll be playing Crumble. So, I moved away from my best friend, Henry. As you all know, it's Awesome Sausage. It's gonna be hard for me, but... Oh, fudge.
This thing is hard.
I think I was supposed to die. Oh. Guys, I'm just saying, my arms are, like, more sore than your dad's. Like, more sore than an old lady. Oh, sorry. But, like, all over me is sore, so I'm trying to play some video games to get that right off my mind. So, hope it works. Are you serious? Ooh. I hope y'all are having a great summer right now, because mine is turning out the best I've ever had. Let me set that up.
What game is that?
I really don't know. Crumble.
What's that game?
Here, just tap on my name and you can join me. I'm gonna say hi. I am recording.
What is Crumble?
I have no clue. Dang it! Ha! Got 2 coins! Are you serious?
They were making that all right. that?
I don't know.
What'd she say?
It's okay, Kendall. Kendall. Hey guys, shout out. Go check out these people.
I can't even see your face. All you can see is a
I am.
Look at your messages. Look at your messages.
What messages?
From the thing.
I am.
You know. The messages you get from the chats, parties, and everything.
It's right there.
No, not that one. The other one. From your friends.
Oh.
Got a chat for me.
Sit. Hey guys, so XX.
Look at the chat I sent you. He said sup. They did not show it yet? I put the sky.
Hold on, I need to move that. Okay, Lego Lover. Where's that? Oh.
Hey y'all, if you want to join me, you know it's XX Supreme Kids XX. You know,
I've already told them, so you
I'd
can.
be playing either Bloxburg or Greenville. Most of the time, probably Bloxburg because this is not my computer. But if you want to, you guys can come. Join me. Follow me, please.
Dude, I had to like.
They can't see what you're doing on the computer now.
Yes, they can.
Oh.
Right? It's like recording the whole screen.
Oh, okay.
It records my face and the screen. Okay, so
Yeah,
she's
guys,
my
she's
friend.
best friend for like over 3 years. No, more like 4.
Oh,
years.
we've been friends for 5 years, but
No, best friends.
No.
5 years.
me and him are best friends. We've known each other since
And he was since when he was.
I was in kinder. He was in third.
Yeah.
Emery,
Let's see if we can
I'm
work on this
recording.
car.
guys, boom boom. Dang it!
How does it do it? Maybe the Game Pass does it.
That's way too fast.
That again. See, things I can't figure out which buttons it has.
I. Excuse me.
Hazards on this car are apparently not a thing. G F D S A Z. That's one thing. X. Let's see. V B N L K J H G F D S X O I.
Gosh, I can't even find all these people.
Y.
Everybody's just trying to get in the video.
Dude, how do they even know you're recording?
I said.
No,
Said
but
I'm
you're not
recording.
doing live.
Well, all I said is I'm recording.
Yeah, but you're not doing it live.
I might. Dang it!
If you're doing live streaming, yeah. You don't even have that many subscribers.
Yes, I do.
How?
Let me go out of here. Let me go to. Ah, great. Just the thing I need. Well, I said sup. You said sup the sky. What the? How did they get the speed? I'm so.
I'm gonna say you show off so this guy needs to show off.
Guys, I'm new to this game, so I'm not Yeah, so guys, I woke up this morning, I made a Musical.ly. My face was the worst it could be. I had bags under my eyes, and I bet y'all can't see me.
Girl's Ferrari. Purple, the girl got out of it. Dang, rich.
Sam better look
So
better
you guys
than
might
me.
join me. I'm in Greenville, but I don't think this is a live lead, so you probably can't. You got water in my ear.
I got a lot of water in my ear, plus our pool clogged my ear.
This is brightness up. It's blinding me. Oh gosh. No, don't pull me over. What the heck? His car's in the ground. Sucks to be you.
Dang it. So guys, I'll try to make more friends, but I think that girl that friended me kind of likes me, because she actually told me her name. Are you serious? Of course, they're the makers of the dumb game.
Wow, but I'm not gonna get paid. So I'm not getting paid. I need a job. I'm so stupid. There we go, now I get a job. Give me paychecks. Oh my gosh, does he have the Agara?
Ferrari?
No, not a Ferrari. It's
Bugatti.
1 million. It's 100. It's 100. It's 1 million. It's 1,800,000. Gosh dang. Look.
I think that Lego girl left. I think she just wanted to friend me. Wait, hold on. How the flip did they get bananas? Guys, I do not want to really worry about the coins that much.
Oh God, he has a gun.
Yes! Look, guys. I made it my first time. Oh, plus I kind of think they made it easy. Oh. Giving people shoutouts. Here's a shout out. Raven Joel. So nice.